Hey guys, in this video I'll talk about how to create custom-made animated stickers for WhatsApp. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on any crucial parts and make any mistakes. Alright, to do this you first need an app called Sticker Maker. So head over to your Play or App Store, type in Sticker Maker, and it should be your fourth result, Sticker Maker by Vico & Co. So click into that. Download and install that. Once that's done, click on open. Now what you want to do is click on the My Stickers. Click on create a new sticker pack. And now here, give the sticker pack a name and give the sticker pack an author name too. So for this example, I'm just going to type in test author. Just going to type my channel name there, click on create, and there you go. So now once you've made that, click into it, and now you see these tray icons. You need at least 3 of these to add them to WhatsApp. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this one and then select file. Now I'm going to head and click on this monkey, and then once I've done that, click on select. Alright, once your video or photo has been selected, you've got a few different options to edit this photo or video. You've got freehand, square, circle, polygon. I'm going to click on square. And there you go, you can use square to edit it. If you like it, you can click on save sticker. And there it is on the tray icon. And now go ahead and do that to your other photos. You need up to 3 to add to WhatsApp. So I'll quickly go and do that now. It can take a few moments to upload these videos or photos too, so just be patient. Alright, once you've uploaded your videos or photos, click on add to WhatsApp. Should be located bottom right hand corner of your screen. Give it a few moments to load. And now it'll say, would you like to add test to WhatsApp? I'm going to click on add. Right, test has been added to WhatsApp. So now I'm going to go ahead and head over to WhatsApp. Go onto my chats. Click on the emoji next to the message. And there you go, there's the stickers we've created. So I'm going to send this one. And that one too. It's been delivered. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this video helpful. We really appreciate it and it helps us out a lot.